Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AXXA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support and then we can talk levels of resistance. The key level of support in my mind, I don't know if I'll take it as far as calling it a do or die level, but it's definitely a very, very important level of support, is down here at 0.0155. Why is 0.0155 important in my mind? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if the price were to come down to that level and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price literally right back to where it was inside of this range before the breakout that happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price came down here, behaved in that manner, and then started to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, 0.0155 being defined as that progress point. So keep a close eye on that because that's really what it's all about. Because you got to give credit where credit's due. Nice price movement, nice volume. And sure, the price pulled back from its highs, but, that's just looking at 1 day individually. When you look at multiple days here, you can see the price does still have the opportunity to show some signs of progress, which is why, staying above that level, very, very important. What about levels of resistance, though? Initial area of resistance on any sort of attempted move back to the upside right there at 0.018. If 0.018 can be broken, then the next key level after that, up there at 0.0195. So keep an eye on those couple levels going forward. All in all, though, like I said, eventful day. Now it's just a question of can the price stabilize out and start to chip away and build those higher lows and show signs of progress. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.